Hey, Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice. Let's continue with our dailies. Doon. Bye bye. It was nice to meet you. Hey, baby. It's not good for continuation of the trend. However, it's not good for just for there's no transitioning strum anymore. I'm sorry, but it's good for whatever. It's good for daily watch. Yeah, forms a level, counter trend, but in 0.5, so everything checks out. Is it multiplex? I just want to know. It's got to be multiplex. If it's something else, that would be horrible. Come on, what's the real name? Like it's just MPLX. It's got to be multiplex. Ohio. Come on, Ohio. Tell me your multiplex. Ooh. 64% are closely held shares. They can be good. I think we need to get rid of it. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're going to trash. I don't want to gamble on the stock that can be gambled by someone else. P card. Yeah, this is continuation of the trend. We don't need this hour list no more. And that's it, you guys. And this guy went down. But yeah, my mistake was like but it was not just counter trend, it was gosh, what's going on? It was aggressive counter trend trade, however, at the monthly level. Counter trend too, but you know what I mean? Could have jerked easily. This guy goes down. CBT. PM. Philip Morris. Forms a new extremum. Doon. What's going on here? It's almost to the level 172. Look at this. It's a $10 stock. Stay away. Yeah, that went down. It's Mitsubishi. But it's $10. Let's be real about it. Oh. It looks like it's gonna give us a level. So this thingy forms an extremum. It's interesting. It's a bigger level. ASML, CME, ABT. PDD breaks down. was the bit. It was extraordinarily big volume. You don't like expect this volume on correction. And where is this volume? It's here. It's, I mean, okay. That's Caterpillar. Interesting. Tesla. Why do I have Tesla? It doesn't pay dividends, right? Well, in Trump's reign, Tesla needs to skyrocket, right? Did I get it right? They're gonna do business. They're gonna do business with Chinese. They're gonna, oof. And I think Elon was cornered in China. I think that's the part of his learning to support Trump, because Trump can effectively deal with Chinese, unlike Dems. So maybe just in my mind I'm trying to justify Elon, because I always had sympathy for the guy. Even after I read his biography, where it's pretty much like clearly laid out that he was very, and he is probably very despotic in the way he does business. Which, I mean, he pushed the envelope, and it's good he does it for himself. It's just how he achieves extraordinary results. But he also pushes beyond the limits all around him, which may drain out people around him. That's an interesting volume. Out of nowhere. Let's see. Where did we begin? The 12th. $500,000. Now, check out this. Dark pools just dumped threefold volume on this stock. No, it's not even close. Like how, like, you see, that's my problem with this. So that's the entire day with pre-market. $500,000. Look at the day. 1.3. Like someone reported something, or I don't know how. Like it's still a mystery for me. Unresolved. Absolute unresolved mystery. And so I cannot offer anything better than just to disregard this volume. Like it never existed. Probably this too. 27 mils on November 6th. 27 mils. November 6th. Where's November 6th? Here's the November, no. Yeah, here's the November 6th. What did I say, 27? And this on 95. Like, how does any of this make sense? So that was 95 mils. And here, November 6th. Oh, okay. No, that's matches. It's 109. No, that's good. But you see what I'm saying? TradingView does not provide me reliable data, so I'm just guessing here. Just guessing here. Hours and days. Okay. Yep. Global robotics. Bro. It's not much for tomorrow. Maybe it's better. GM. This is continuation of the trend. Oh, this helps. Interesting. This helps. Not so much. There was a trade and continuation of the trend, I think. Oh, it's not enough to change the color, Mishka. You gotta change the visibility. Yeah. No volume. Boom. 1 bar rule. Even if it's 1 bar rule, still can, yeah. So this can be like a sign of strength level now. Interesting. Huh. Well, it's like so tied. Do you say tied or tight? Tight. I think it's I don't know. Tight. It's tight. There was no entry anyway. Boom, 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 down and up. Up and down. All around me. Inside out. Da da da. Yeah. Yeah. Just goes up. Key. I didn't touch it. Needs a test technically. It's gonna break. It's gonna break. Unvolumed up thrust. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. OC. I don't even care about this. Yeah. Oxy. Yeah, why did I not take this one? It's, yeah, for short. If you don't know where this is. Yeah, I agree, I agree. I agree. That's a local extreme now. Let's see how this goes. Also a test level. It's broken right now. Broke or broken? The level is broken. Broke it's when you don't have no money, right? It's broken because someone else broke it, right? And broke when you did it to yourself. Is it the linguistics of it? Unvolumed. Broken. Yeah, level cannot break itself, right? Someone needs to break it, so. English is hard. As a second language. But yeah, you guys, Russian is way harder. Like another day I was like whining to myself about how English is hard, and then I remembered this like endless classes of studying freaking Russian and all its grammar and orthography. Is it even the word punctuation it is in English? And oh, it was a torture. It was nothing short of a torture. So this was a unvolumed. $17.79. 17. Yeah, it bypassed. So new level. Come on. New level. So yeah, and I also studied Turkish, and Turkish is harder than English too. I only touched on German, on Deutsch, so I can't really tell. If that is harder than English. I think English is so simplified because it's like on its way to becoming international, and especially with the whole like American shebang. I think it was like so simplified. Um, Especially in pronunciation, like American English for sure, in pronunciation, like AUGH, OUGH, and like a whole bunch of things that like diphthongs they are, I think. That all sound different in British English. All sound the same in American English. Isn't it a relief? When my dialect coach told me that, I was like, yeah, I love America. Everything like is simpler here. And this is great, it's better for life. Like Europe, Russia, Great Britain are so like back-minded and traditional and whatnot. I was like, no, please, I wanna like leave. I wanna live my life. I don't wanna study rules. Um, it's almost like all across the board. Architecture the same. You go Europe, you go St. Petersburg. Oh, architecture is beautiful, but it's like impossible to live in there. You wanted something simple and modern, right? Suitable for living. Like St. Petersburg, my hometown, it's museum city. It's like the entire city, the downtown looks like a museum. The entire like downtown. It's called Golden Triangle. But it's impossible to live in there and being stuck in the traffic all the time, just because they can like demolish building and widen the freaking road, because it's like under UNESCO protection, like World Heritage Architecture exemplar. So I'm done. So nothing for like hourly watch tomorrow. That's my sweetheart Samolyot. If it dies, it dies. The portion of my capital will die with it. If it leaves, it leaves. That was a premature entry on like minutes. But yeah. It's in my portfolio now. And I'm like, I'm already in on the losing trade. And don't confuse with DCA, like all the DCA lovers out there. Don't put me in that category. It's not dollar cost averaging. It's a new position that I'm seeing. Look at this volume. If no one was buying, this volume would have just crushed the market, and like this volume would have crushed the market. And then in a smaller volume, it closes above the opening of the, well, not considering the gap, not the old spread, but the new spread. Test on weakness, resumes, and it looks by the book. It's like down low there. Yeah, maybe you would want it before the, but there is no volume, so if it goes up there, it goes. Anyhow, we'll see soon. We'll see soon how that works.